see, it's not tight enough. Supposed to compressing it this side. It's just here, like little piece. But it's fine. Let me see if I can get it in. Okay. Like that.
Like that. That's how you put your piston cylinder block, fellas. Now we're gonna go underneath and tighten this shit out. Hold this. So we have the new bolts for the thing. It's open.
This why you see, bro.
Yeah.
This place this thing is only, look. This one. Fucking shit.
Yeah.
Okay. Try turn this one full then.
Yeah.
Try turn this one full.
So this thing goes in different ways. In the same way it came out. You pause it? This side. Okay, hold this. Turn the engine. Shift and add. Pause. All this. Shine here. Okay, this side comes like this. Okay, let's go and put it like this. We just hand tighten. Hand tighten. Pause. The torque specs for the piston is it's a 30 newtons plus 90. So we're gonna we're gonna tighten it. Remember, this is a Polo 1.1. 20. What year is it? 2021? 2022? Oh, 2021 model. So, just gonna torque it. And then there is our torques. Followed by this one. And then now we do the 90 degrees angle. I might just use power bar for this one. The 90 degree angle. Let's do it like this. Yeah. Then we are going with 90 degrees. Let's go, cameraman. 90. Let's come this side. Move, cameraman. Come this side. Come this side. That's 90. Yeah. And then that's how you put your piston in, fellas. That's how you put your piston in. So yeah, this is a Polo 1.4, 1.1 Polo TSI 1.1. Yeah. Until we meet again, fellas.